I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plan. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. I am handling many student courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MCGRA, Hillsiminet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is here. Increase the font size of title, and I will highlight for a proper view in my video. Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plan. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. So moving on instruction. Okay, increase the font size of instruction for a proper view in my video. So moving on, question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plans. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson Lab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can see my Excel workbook. I have also opening my Excel workbook. You can download this file easily from your school, college portal. So moving on, question number 2. Question number 2 is that use the get and transform tools to improve the text file Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plans. Basically this question we will import file, text file. Use the get and transform tools to import the text file. The text file is that Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plan text file. We will go to our Excel workbook, go to the data tab. In the get transfer group, click on get data button. From text file, we will go to our download folder and we will select our file Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plans. We will select our file where we saved in our PC folder. I have also saved in my local disk folder. I have select this file, click on import button. So click on transform data button and close and load. Click on close and load. This is good now. So moving on, next question of this assignment is question number 3. Rename the worksheet flights. We will copy this name flights. Simply we will have to assign the name or we will rename this sheet. Right click on this sheet, click on rename button, and then we will rename this sheet as a flights name. So moving on, next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions so far. Question number 4 is that added the connection properties to refresh when the file is opened. Added the connections property to refresh when the file is opened. So we will go to data tab. In the queries and connections group, click on properties. Click on properties button. So we will refresh data when opening the file. Click on this checkbox, refresh data when opening the files. So We will click on this checkbox and then okay, click on 1 second. Click on OK button, okay, and click on again OK. This is good. So moving on, next question of this assignment is question number 5. Question number 5 is that okay, I just show you 4 questions